Have you ever wondered if there's a simple, natural way to boost your heart health, improve digestion, and even protect against certain cancers, all from just 1 tablespoon of a humble seed every day? What if we told you that this potent superfood has been hiding in plain sight, offering a powerhouse of nutrients that could revolutionize your health? Today, we're diving into the many powerful benefits of the most potent seed on earth and the best way to take it and leverage all its benefits. Welcome to Levitas. Let's start with alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, one of the most significant components of flax seeds. ALA is a type of omega-3 fatty acid which is essential for heart health. Unlike the omega-3s found in fish oil, ALA is plant-based and offers its own unique set of benefits. Research has shown that ALA can help lower the risk of heart disease by reducing inflammation, decreasing blood pressure, and preventing the formation of clots that can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Just 1 tablespoon of flax seeds provides a substantial amount of ALA, making it a simple yet powerful addition to your diet for maintaining cardiovascular health. Flax seeds are also a digestive health superstar. They're packed with dietary fiber, which plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. The fiber in flax seeds adds bulk to your stool, helping to prevent constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Additionally, flax seeds act as a natural prebiotic, feeding the friendly bacteria in your gut and supporting a balanced microbiome. This improved gut health not only aids digestion, but also enhances your overall immune function. Incorporating flax seeds makes it easier to process and absorb the nutrients your body needs. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds offers a surprisingly rich nutritional profile. It contains about 37 calories, which might seem low, but it's packed with 2 grams of protein and 3 grams of dietary fiber. The fiber content is particularly notable as it provides both soluble and insoluble fibers, each offering different health benefits. Despite its small size, the nutrient density of a single tablespoon of flax seeds makes it a powerful tool in your dietary arsenal. Flax seeds contain a perfect balance of soluble and insoluble fibers. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like substance in the gut that can help lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood sugar. This type of fiber slows down digestion, which can prevent the spikes and crashes in blood sugar. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to the stool and aids in the movement of food through the digestive system, helping to prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Together, these fibers work synergistically to support overall gut health and metabolic function. The benefits of flax seeds extend to the health of your blood vessels as well. The ALA content in flax seeds has been shown to improve the elasticity of blood vessels, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, flax seeds help keep your blood vessels clear and flexible. This not only reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes, but also supports better circulation throughout the body. So they can promote long-term cardiovascular health. And one of the lesser-known but incredibly powerful components of flax seeds is lignans. These plant compounds have potent antioxidant and estrogen-like properties, which can help protect against hormone-related cancers, particularly breast and prostate cancer. Lignans work by blocking the enzymes involved in hormone metabolism and interfering with the growth and spread of cancer cells. Studies have shown that flax seeds are one of the richest sources of lignans, offering up to 800 times more than other plant foods. So, they don't only boost your antioxidant intake, but also add a layer of protection against certain types of cancer. Speaking of antioxidants, flax seeds are loaded with them, particularly polyphenols. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress, which occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Oxidative stress is a major contributor to aging and the development of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. The polyphenols in flax seeds work to neutralize free radicals, reducing inflammation, and protecting your cells from damage. This antioxidant effect is another reason why flax seeds are considered a powerful superfood for promoting long-term health and longevity. If you're looking to manage your weight, flax seeds can be an effective addition to your diet. The high fiber content in flax seeds not only aids digestion, but also helps you feel full for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. This feeling of satiety can prevent overeating and help with weight loss efforts. Additionally, the protein content in flax seeds supports muscle maintenance and growth, which is crucial when you're trying to lose weight. Flax seeds also have a positive impact on blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. The soluble fiber in flax seeds slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, which helps to prevent the spikes and crashes that can lead to insulin resistance. Over time, this can improve your body's ability to manage blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Furthermore, the ALA and lignans in flax seeds have been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that can further support insulin sensitivity. So, they help stabilize your blood sugar and protect against metabolic disorders. Flax seeds are not just good for your internal health, they also offer significant benefits for your skin and hair. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in flax seeds help to reduce inflammation and promote healthy skin, making them an effective natural remedy for skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, and eczema. And these nutrients help to keep your skin hydrated, reduce redness and irritation, and support overall skin health. Additionally, the nutrients in flax seeds promote strong, healthy hair by nourishing the hair follicles and reducing inflammation of the scalp. To get the most out of flax seeds, it's important to use them in their ground form. Whole flax seeds are hard for the body to digest, meaning you won't absorb all of their nutrients. Ground flax seeds, on the other hand, are easier to digest and offer the full spectrum of health benefits. You can easily add ground flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or baked goods for a nutritious boost. Just 1 tablespoon a day is enough to reap the many health benefits that flax seeds have to offer. Remember to store them in the refrigerator to maintain their freshness and nutritional value for longer. In conclusion, just 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds into your daily diet can offer a wide range of health benefits, making it the most potent seed on earth. Its rich content of alpha-linolenic acid helps protect your heart by reducing inflammation, lowering blood pressure, and preventing clots that could lead to heart attacks and strokes. The fiber in flax seeds supports digestive health, aids in maintaining regular bowel movements, and enhances gut health by acting as a natural prebiotic. This nutrient-dense seed also provides essential protein and a perfect balance of soluble and insoluble fibers, which work together to regulate blood sugar, support metabolic function, and promote satiety for effective weight management. Flax seeds also offer powerful antioxidant properties, particularly through lignans and polyphenols, which protect against oxidative stress and certain types of cancer. Beyond internal health, the omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in flax seeds contribute to healthier skin and hair, reducing inflammation and nourishing from within. To maximize these benefits, it's best to use ground flax seeds, which are easier for the body to absorb and can be effortlessly added to a variety of meals. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.